Hi everybody, I'd like to wish everybody a happy Thanksgivings in Canada here. It's Sunday, Thanksgiving. We're going to have a turkey dinner later, but I'm going to do a strip down here on a Toro, self-propelled Toro, and it's got a aluminum base, aluminum or zinc. Either way it's going to go for the same as aluminum. So we'll get some steel, we'll get a mortar, cast aluminum mortar, which I'll probably take that off too. You can sell it separately. Hopefully I can clean this up very clean. Anyways, people ask me about my gloves. These are my black gloves here. They're called Viper. V-I-P-E-R, Viper. It's a V4631-2XL, double XL. So anyways, it's a good pair. Ace Industrial Supply. That's where I get them from. It's got a cloth on one side so your hands don't sweat, and protective for your fingers and all that. So like I say, I'm a fan of having gloves all the time. You know, you deal with chemicals, you know, if you're dealing with leads and different materials, heavy metals, you don't want that in your hands because it absorbs in your skin, right? So anyways, we're gonna get started here. Rained like hell yesterday and didn't get no productivity yesterday, so figured today I can get something in for today. Problem was this thing is so old and it's been sitting for so long. I actually got off a neighbor up the road here. He threw it out yesterday, or no, 2 days ago, on the way home. I was heading home and I said, hey man, there's a lawnmower. I'll take any lawnmower I can get. Okay, let me just my tools here. Ooh, my bolt cutter is starting to get beat up. Just gonna cut cables off for now. Just stuff that gets in the way. There, have to worry about that. Okay, I'm gonna grab something I can knee on. Get this cushion here. Hopefully it's not too wet. It's been raining like crazy here. We talked about sun today. You know, the sun's coming, but it came late. It was supposed to be sunny all day today. Sunny and cloudy kind of thing. Okay, we need another wrench. Glasses here. Might be able to loosen some of it first, and then use this socket cordless drill system here. The gas drained basically. There's not much in there, but it still has the fumes of the gas smell. Okay. Come on, these stupid things. Hate that. Okay, that's one. So yeah, stuff. Okay, get that out. Okay, I gotta get this off. Okay. So I've never stripped one of these before, like a self-propelled, so let's see what it has to offer. Guess it has a clutch system or something. basically all the screws got to come out, screws and bolts, whatever, to get it cleaned. So whatever I see, I'm going to take apart. Get my pan here, all my nuts and bolts. Not really sure this nut here. Okay. Need this stuff to stick in there and stay there. Okay, that's that. Okay, the steel. Plastic. Okay, now we have this area here has to come off. Let's see. Okay. This one I haven't. Long extension or something. Get way in there. Okay, this one has to take this metal off. Plastic. Got kind of a pin in here. Should take the handle off. Okay. Piece of metal here. I hate throwing plastic away or paying to throw plastic away and having metal on there, right? If you know what I mean. Take all the metal off. All my plastic. Okay. It's aluminum here. Okay, aluminum. Okay. There's a bunch of Phillips heads here. Seem like they're loose actually. Might have had a guard here, like a plastic guard or something that went around here. Yeah, that's what I'm thinking. Not, they're all actually just loose sitting there. No, sitting there. Okay. Nope. There's one right here. Yeah, someone sent me a link about different like Phillips Phillips is a Japanese version of Phillips, which is like a T, and the actual Phillips is like a star. So if you don't have the right tool, you know, especially on Japanese bikes, you're gonna be stripping all these things, because they were saying that a Phillips, if you're screwing in there, it will actually slip automatically. Like, it has a torquing thing in there where you can't, you know, over torque it and break the screw out. So it's designed to torque and then slip after a certain torque, and same with reversing that, taking a screw out. So, but anyways, someone sent that to me. That was pretty interesting, I thought. Neat when guys send you different links and stuff. Yeah, I have to find some sockets, I think. Different stuff here. See if I can take this off. Oh, that was too easy. I was putting all the force in there thinking it'd be super tight. Almost fell over. Usually they're really, really tight. Okay, well that's good. That's a good start. Once I get the motor released, then I'll have to deal with that motor. And I can sell the motor for better money. Instead of selling for 10 cents, or selling for like 3 cents a pound, I'll get like 10 cents a pound, I would say. So, I'll figure how. I have to get my socket system. Find some sockets. I gotta find some sockets or something, so stand by. Okay, I got a socket extension here now for the motor. The motor's free. Actually, a stupid oil thing came off, leaked on my driveway. We'll take this plastic cover off because they don't like plastic at scrapyard, so we'll pull it off to keep them happy. Almost. Okay. So it should be a pretty good base there. It actually looks like a lot of aluminum on there. Probably quite heavy. A bit closer. Okay, I'm going to switch it over. Carburetor there. Okay, so now we just got a motor without plastic. This. So what I'll do, yeah, it's got lots of weight. So many different sizes, I'll tell you here. Okay, there. That's good. Take off the wheels. Here for now. A little bit of fuel, looks like. Okay. On this side now. Probably have to just crack it a bit here. Hopefully I can. We have to bang it. Okay. Plastic. We'll cut this part off. Should cut it lower actually. Okay. You have to somehow knock this off here. See nothing obvious. Almost like it's pressed in there, see that? You have to smash it out. Keep the glasses on. There's no bolts or nothing, it's pressed in there. Yeah, it's pressed in. Okay. Okay. It's a little clutch system here. Direct drive. Cut that out. Okay, well this was turning here. Okay. Rest it here. Get this wrench in here. Doesn't seem like it's fitting properly here. It's really close. It should fit. Maybe it's turning. Okay, there it is. Need that socket. Almost got my finger. It's actually a piece of aluminum spacer here. Okay, so why is everything just almost working? Okay, it's aluminum clean. Okay, clean. So something here. I'm not sure what this is here. 383. So what is this? It's plastic anyways, but I'm not sure what size that is. Okay, it's almost done. Shows a little screw there on one side holding it. It's out. Okay, one more. Another screw here. I'll weigh this too and let you know what that weighs. Doesn't fit or what? Nope. Everything's just one size off. Oh, that might work. Come on. Okay. It's clean. Okay. I'm going to weigh the mortar. I'm going to weigh the other thing after. Let you know what the weights are. Okay. Okay, 18 pounds for the base, and then a couple of filler pieces and spacers, whatever. 18 pounds. And the mortar. So the mortar weighs 25 pounds roughly. Okay, so we got 25-pound mortar. At 10 cents a pound was $2.50. And then we got this base here. The base is at 40 cents. So that's what 10 pounds is $4, $3.20. So $7.20. So we're looking about $10 for these two items here. And a little bit of shred there. I'll say probably about 15 pounds of shred probably. Yeah, I'd say about 15 pounds of shred. That's 45 cents, so about $11. $10-11 for everything. Versus, okay, say that was say it's 20 and 20, 25, 45, 60 pounds. 60. Say 60 pounds, yeah. Say 4 cents, average it out. That's $2.50. So you're making $7.50. It only took me what? If I had the right tools, I could do it in 5 minutes. But I had to go looking for the right sockets and different things. But to make $7.50 over the tin prices. Okay. We'll leave it at this. Thanks for watching on this video. Teardown of a Toro self-propelled lawnmower. 25-pound mortar, aluminum, irony breakage. We got the base. The base is it's cast aluminum anyways. They could say zinc or aluminum. It's 40 cents a pound. That's 18 pounds. So that's the breakdown, guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and share. Have a great day.